What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can apply for a Revolut credit card. So let's get started. Now of course everyone knows for a Revolut debit card, which just allows you to spend the amount of money that you currently have on your account. But Revolut recently introduced a credit card, so aka a whole credit account with a credit card connected to it. So first, before you try to apply for a credit card, you would first need to meet some criteria. So you would need to be at least 18 years old, you would need to have a Revolut account for at least 30 days, you would need to be employed, self-employed, so aka you would just need to have a constant stream of income. And lastly, you shouldn't have any negative balances on a Revolut. Now currently the credit card feature or the credit account feature is only available in Lithuania, Poland, Spain, Ireland and USA. So from what I heard, it will soon come to UK and some other countries. But essentially, if you are in a eligible country and you do meet those criteria, you would first need to go to your homepage, and then from your homepage you would need to tap on the accounts section. Now from here just scroll down, and here you should be able to see a credit account option. So you have the pocket account, the saving and funds, and you should be able to see a credit account right here if you are eligible. Now just go ahead and select the credit account, and then you can open it from there. And with that credit account, you will get a credit card that's associated to it. So if the feature is not currently available in your country, you will receive an email from Revolut once the credit feature arrives to your country. So essentially, that's guys how you can apply for a Revolut credit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.